Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a short video on installing the Atom Hackable Text Editor. This is the 32-bit version installed from a PPA, and that's because I have an older machine and I can't run the dev or the RPM from the website. So this is just a quick walkthrough. I've already installed it once, so it'll, some of the stuff will not give the same output that you're going to get, but this is just to give you the idea of what it's going to take and maybe whether or not you want to do it. I really wouldn't use this as a step-by-step. This is just kind of to introduce you to it and see if you want it. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm adding this repository, which is the current, a close to current version of Atom. So you'll see to add the repository, you just sudo apt-get repository and then the name of it. It's a PPA type, and then hit enter. So mine's unchanged because I've already installed it. And then you want to update all your packages, all the repository information, so that it actually gets the information within the package. So that's just a paste too. You might have to enter your password if you haven't already done a sudo in this existing terminal. So, and then the final thing after the packages are installed, you want to install an Atom. So, very straightforward on Debian-based systems. It's now loading the package list. And finally you would do the apt-get install, and mine's going to say newest version. If you're not, it's about an 80 megabyte download and just take a minute or two to install. Next thing I want to show you is the Python, not Python tools. Oh yeah, Python tools. Or no, this is the autocomplete Python. So let's go over to, let's launch, or let's see if I already have it going. No, I don't. Okay, so I'm going to launch Atom. So this is, it's considered an accessory because it's considered a text editor, which is seems like a little bit more to me. But hey, who am I? So this is the text editor. So I have a test.py in there, and it's just import. Let's go there. Import math and radians. So so for example, if I type in import, it's going to do autocomplete. Once first, it's got that same autocomplete thing where it's got to think it's the first time typing command. Something that drives me crazy a lot. But that's most autocomplete sort of have that. So that's my import math, and then say if I wanted to use radians, it's math dot. Oh, let's see. Oh, radians. There we go. So it's that simple. And then if you're if you want to print something, well, let's try an if statement, just to kind of. If you're looking for this code completion, you probably already know what it is. So if x is equal to y, blah blah blah, or whatever. So you get the idea. So let's show you the next thing. Well, let me show you first how I installed this. So the Python installer is a package. So the great thing I really like about Atom so far is how easy it is to install stuff. So let's go to install, and what you would do is I typed in Python and hit packages so it installs it. I'm not the theming type, so right away you see that I've already got this one installed. If I didn't, you'd see this button right here, but you can see it's very easy to uninstall, disable, and get the settings. It also has this nice popularity count, number of downloads. So you can see a lot of people use this for Python. At least 1 million some people have downloaded the Python installer. So that's a good sign. So the other piece I wanted was a program called Script, or an add-on called Script. And this lets you run Python from right in there, right in the system. So you see I have that installed as well. So now when I go over to test.py, I can do. Now this I had to look up, so I was a little bummed that this was this hard to find, but if I do Control-Shift-P, that gives me, this is a command prompt, so you can do script :run, and you see it does list Control-Shift-B here. So once you know Control-Shift-P, you're good to go, and you can just click it, and you can see that it has run it down here. So that's Atom in a nutshell. I really like it, and I'm going to be doing some videos with OpenSCAD and using Atom because I think that'll benefit that community as well. And I think I might be using this develop with Python. So if you like my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit a like if you like this video. And most importantly, have a great day.